tall man. You can call me after tonight, after the speech. You can come to me, okay? Anyways, I really want to thank the film festival for having me here. The moment I stepped here, it was just full of energy, noise, and it was overwhelming at times, but the good kind of overwhelming, the energy that gets you going, makes you think. I would really like to thank my volunteer Meg, who has been hanging out with me the whole day. She's like, "Are you okay? Do you need water? Do you need something?" And I'm like, "Can I take you back to Bhutan and have you obsess over me every single day?" I would also like to thank Anjali. We met yesterday, and I found a soul sister. I think even if we are from different countries, we have similar values. And when we were talking, we kept on smiling and sharing about ideas and stories. And it's really inspiring to see fellow women be artistic and talented and recognized and just be out there. So it goes for you. And also my friend from Vietnam, she and I, we've been hanging out the whole day yesterday, and we planned to party hard and drink beer, but it couldn't happen because we were too busy with the film festival. But tonight, we get drunk. It's happening. It's also an honor to be in front of Sandy Vishwaji. I've seen you, oh my God, in so many films. And it's like, I can't believe I'm in front of you right now. It's amazing. Can you call me after tonight and maybe we can go on a date or something? I don't know. Ignore your wife. Anyways, I got a small gift for maybe sir. I got a small gift for Bhutan. It's actually I don't promote alcoholism, but it's wine. And this is just a small token of appreciation from my film and I.